Hello and welcome. Chef Pennington here, Le Cordon Bleu trained chef and former fine dining chef. Today I'm going to show you how to make ricotta cheese using ultra-pasteurized milk, which is what is most commonly found at the grocery store. It's pretty hard to find unpasteurized milk. And this works out wonderfully. Like if you put a taste test next to each other, you'd be like, I can't tell the difference, which is good for us. This is going to be 8 cups of whole milk. We need to use whole milk. If you try using skim milk, it's not going to work. There's not enough fat, and that's what we're going to be doing here. We're going to be separating the fat in the milk from the whey, so curds and whey. We're going after the curds today. So we've got an additional 2 cups here of half and half, and this is the key. We have to heat it up slowly. If you bring it up too quickly, it's going to scald the milk, and that's not what we want. It's not going to do what we need it to do. We need to slowly let the proteins in the milk start loosening up, and that's the portion of the slow. So it takes about 10-15 minutes to get it to temperature. So I put in 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. You can use sea salt. Please do not use table salt because it's too salty. I've got 2 regular sized lemons here, and I'm getting all the juice from them. So it's either going to be the juice of 2 lemons or 6 tablespoons. That's roughly where we're at. If after the coagulation process starts, which is what this is, we're triggering the coagulation process. If it's not thickening enough within 5-10 minutes, you can add a little bit more, no problem. We're stirring everything together, and you're going to start noticing it's going to start thickening. It's going to do it fairly quick. You could already see right there that the viscosity of that milk is getting thick. And this only takes about 10 to 15 minutes, closer to 15. If you want to let it go longer, no problem. The heat is off. Very important. You can see here we're starting to make cheese. This is a fun project, great to involve your kids. So we've got the heat off, and we're going to cover it. Very important. And we're just going to let it chill out for a while. And it's going to get thick. So we got cheesecloth, cheesecloth, and we're going to strain it off. What we're doing here is we're getting rid of all the whey, all of the liquid. We don't want it. So we're going to strain it twice. So this is going to sit for a little while, and it's just going to slowly seep out, and it's going to eventually get to the bottom of your strainer, and then we're going to switch it into another bowl, and we're just going to let it remain, getting rid of all the whey. Very important. We don't want leftover whey. Did you happen to see the color of the whey there, of the ultra-pasteurized milk? It's actually a little bit yellow. Pretty interesting. Okay, this is your one chance to shape it. So if we just put in the refrigerator like that overnight, it's going to be malformed. So you can shape it anything you like. The easiest thing is just use a plastic wrap, get it on there, and turn it into a nice log, big long log. The presentation on the wrap does not have to be perfect because you're going to usually slice it or put it in a bowl, and when you're serving it, the taste is just incredible. The lemon is for me what really makes it, and the lemon flavor is not too strong. So some of you are wondering about that. You don't have to use lemon. There's other stuff in the link that I'm going to provide below that gives you other things to use besides lemon. And we talk about all kinds of the process. Please subscribe if this is your first time visiting. We'd love to have you. Please join us on social media. And this is Chef Pennington. I appreciate y'all, and